In this video, we're going to be checking out this impression kit. So I'm just going to open it up. I'm going to show you what all you get in here, tell you a little bit more about this and what this is used for, and then we'll go from there. Now this is going to be a two-part because I am going to show you what's in here. I am going to put together one of these molds and I'm going to get the impression of my teeth made. And then I'm going to send it off with this information in here. And then once I get the mouth guards back in, I will update the video or add on to the video to show you what that looks like. But it does come with a user manual that's going to walk you through, and this is going to tell you how to prepare the mouthpieces here, how you're going to mix it up, how you're going to put it in, how you're going to get it to create the impressions of your teeth, and then what you're going to do with that, and then how you're going to get that sent in for your whatever you're getting. So as you can see here on this information sheet here, this can be used, these dental impressions can be used for retainers, night guards, aligners, removable dentures, fake teeth veneers, a holly retainer, a sports mouth guard, or a snoring mouthpiece. We're going to be getting this for the night guard, which is supposed to help you keep from grinding your teeth together while you sleep. So again, I will get that once I receive that in the mail from filling this out and sending this in to them. I will show you what that looks like. But inside the box, in addition to this information, which I just showed you, you also get your kit here. So what you're going to do is you're going to use this right here. And in here, you've got some different size guards depending on the size of your mouth. So we've got 3 different ones to choose from here. And each one of these is going to come with a lower and an upper. So this is your lower one, this is your upper one. And again, so this one is the large, this one is your medium, and then you've got a smaller one here. So you're gonna make sure that you're using the one that fits properly into your mouth, using the instructions here. And then you've got this mixing bowl here with the different amounts to put the water in. And this is your mixing bowl and your stirrer here. You also get these bags to send your pieces back in to get your impressions sent to you. And then you've got a bunch of different packets of the tooth printing material. So it looks like we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you've got 10 of these all together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow the instructions here. I'm gonna find the guard that's going to work best for my mouth size. I'm gonna get this mixed up, show you how this works, and we'll go from there. So due to the timing of how long this is going to take, I'm not going to film the whole process of me doing this, but what I will do is I will walk you through what you're going to do. I will get my impressions made, and then I will show you what the impressions look like before I send them off. But what you're going to do is you want to brush your teeth first, and then you're going to prepare a glass of ice water, and then you're going to get a phone or a timer ready, because you have to do this within 2.5 minutes or it'll form, it'll harden up, and you won't be able to get your impression. So you're going to get your tray, and then you're going to pour a packet of the impression powder into the bowl, 1 packet at a time. You're going to add 40 milliliters of the ice water, which is basically to this line right here. You'll add that in there. You're going to use your spoon to mix it up, and then you're going to put it into your tray. So I think they recommend doing the top teeth first, and then once you complete that full process, then you're going to do the bottom teeth. And it walks you through on how to put the tray in your mouth, spreading your mouth open, lifting your lip over, and how you're going to do that. And then on the next page, you've got the bottom teeth, and it tells you this is what it should look like. And if it looks like any of these different things right here, you're going to have to do it again. And then once that's done, you take a picture of it, and you're going to send it to them for verification. Then you'll put them in the bags, and you'll ship them off to get your pieces made. So I'm going to get these made. Once I have them made, I will show you what they look like before we send them off, and we'll go from there. All right, so I just got my impressions done. I went with the medium guard here. It was not that bad at all. You do have to leave them in your mouth for about 4 to 5 minutes for them to fully form. But I'm looking over the sheet here, and you just want to make sure that you've got all of your teeth in there, and that you've got the top of your gum line. And it looks like I did that on both of mine, on top and bottom. So I think we're going to be good to go here. I just took the picture to send over to them, and then I'm going to get that sent over and get this packaged up and sent over to them. So once I receive my retainer or my mouth guards, I will pop this back into the video and show you what that looks like and finish up from there. All right, so in the last part of the video, we had the molds and we got everything put together and sent them off. So I wanted to come back and give you an update now that the retainer pieces have come back. These were formed for my teeth. as shown earlier in the video. I'm just going to open this box up and show you what you get when it arrives. So open it up. It does have a product certificate in there, as well as instructions for use for the custom-made orthodontic appliance. So that's in there. And then you've got your, I did upper and lower, so I've got an upper, lower, and lower, an upper and a lower, and they're both labeled with my name on the back. And then you also get a case here for you. I'm assuming this is to store them in, so we'll open this up and see your little storage container there. So when you're not using them, you can keep them safe. But I haven't even opened these yet. So this says custom-made dental appliances. It says precautions and instruction for use, cleaning and maintenance. Use clean water to rinse all products. Avoid using strong acidic or alkaline cleaners. Do not use hot water for cleaning. When not in use, store in a clean container. So there we go. It says wear according to your dentist recommendation. So we're going to open this one up. This one is my upper. So as you can see, there's the top one. Open this one up. And there's our bottom one. So let's see how these fit. There you go. Pretty perfect fit. So I'm going to take these out so I can talk. If you're looking for a great solution to do at home and provide you with the dental appliances that you're looking for, I would highly recommend checking these out. These are perfect.